Savvy PCOS sisters know that nutrition is their best weapon. Most people depend on medication, such as the oral contraceptive pill, without trying to optimise PCOS with nutrition. They may not be aware that medical guidelines show that nutrition is one of the best tools for women with PCOS to not only help PCOS symptoms, but also to prepare for pregnancy. As the evidence continues to grow, we can see the medical community shifting. Soon, it will be the norm that women go straight to see a dietitian when they're diagnosed with PCOS, before even starting on the pill. I believe that in a few years' time, we'll look back on our current practices and wonder what we were thinking. When PCOS sisters know that nutrition is their best weapon, thriving becomes their norm. Personalised nutrition can help women with PCOS regulate their hormones so they're experiencing more normal cycles, fewer mood fluctuations, less weight gain, and they're able to better plan for when they want to have a family. I mean, do you really think the Australian government would provide Medicare rebates to women with PCOS for seeing a dietitian if there wasn't adequate evidence? When women dial in their nutrition, they're able to significantly reduce their PCOS symptoms and live lives where they're healthy and flourishing. They're not trapped by their PCOS symptoms and constant PMS. It's my job to disrupt this old way of ignoring nutrition when it comes to PCOS. I want to take a stand and help women thrive without medication and take ownership of their own health. And if that's you, please be vocal about the fact that you've managed your PCOS without medications so that your PCOS sisters don't get stuck believing that medication is the only option. It's not good at the moment. No, we slowed it down for that last one, that's right. I mean,